This is the foam roller video for your gastrocnemius and soleus muscle, which make up the calves in your lower leg. To get started, you're going to extend one leg and keep the other leg bent. Place the foam roller underneath your lower leg, and using your hands, you're going to roll up and down those calf muscles. You can rotate on the outside and then turn it onto the inside. Go all the way down to your ankle and all the way up to underneath your knee. So once you find a trigger point, you want to sit there and hold that for 20 to 30 seconds. Again, moving around, inside, outside. Come on all the way over to your side to get the inside. Come on all the way over to the other side to get the outside.